steaming hot.
Kuya William?
Good morning, Grace.
Anong ginagawa mo dito?
Alam ko na kung ano nangyari sa'yo. I was there. Yesterday. And I heard everything.
Ayoko na sanang malaman mo pa yun.
No worries. Tanggap kita. Kahit anong pinagdaanan mo. Actually, that's why I came here. I want to help you. Did you file a complaint?
At ayoko na din sanang pag-usapan pa yun.
Pero kailangan. Hindi ba gusto mo pinapakulong ang lahat ng rapists? Just like the case you and Edward are handling right now.
Nag-file ako ng complaint. Pero wala pang nadadakip na suspect. Hanggang ngayon wala pang nahahanap.
Pero kilala mo ba siya, Grace? Yung itsura niya. Do you remember him?
Kuya Will? Hey, what brings you here?
Eto, I just wanted to make sure that Grace is okay. Alam mo na, after what happened yesterday.
Yeah. Now you know.
Nothing's changed. She's still my soon-to-be sister-in-law.
Ako medyo na-awkward pa rin ako sa kanya, Edward eh. Meron siyang mga ginagawa na unpredictable. Tapos, yung mga tinatanong niya tungkol sa nangyari sa akin,
What about it?
ewan ko, siguro, just the way he asks.
Well, you know what? Since alam na talaga ni Kuya William, I might as well talk to him about it. But Grace, I think mas importante na umattend ka ulit sa therapy sessions mo. I noticed na medyo bumabalik yung paranoia mo and I don't know, it might be an effect of skipping.
Siguro nga.
Look, get some rest today. Take the day off, go back to your therapy sessions. Kailangan mo yun.
Hello, William? Nasaan ka ba?
Shari, nasa meeting ako.
Eh bakit ang aga mo umalis?
Dahil maaga yung meeting ko.
Sino ba mga ka-meeting mo, ha?
Shari! Ano to, investigation? Huwag mo muna ako tawagan because I'm doing something very important.
Hello? William! William, hello?
Anong nalalaman mo sa akin, Grace? Hmm? Are you just pretending not to know me? Is that it? Hmm? talaga akong maalala, Grace.